Here's a demo how to use Momento NFC for iPhone users. For newer iPhones, XR and higher, simply tap the top of the iPhone to the tag, and Apple's new feature called AppClips will launch. Click on play and it will display what's on the tag. It's that easy. For older iPhones, 7 through 10, open your control center and select the NFC widget. Then, tap the top of the phone to the tag and click play to read the tag. If you want to add your own content, you'll need to download the free Momento NFC app. One way to get the app is to use your phone's camera to scan the QR code that's provided with your shirt. Tap on the pop-up link and you can download it from here. You can also download it directly from our website. Finally, you can search for Momento NFC in the App Store. Once the app is downloaded, use the icons on the homepage to add your own content right from your iPhone. Tap the microphone icon to record a sound or upload an audio file. Tap the camera icon to take a picture or video or upload from your gallery. Tap the text icon to create a note or upload a PDF file. Finally, tap the world icon to upload your websites, social media links, or a music playlist. We hope you enjoyed this demo, and we thank you for choosing Momento.